This is the low-rise elevator at the Sheraton Hotel, Tyson's Corner, Virginia. It's an Otis. This is a pretty nice hotel overall. Here's the man-powered elevator. Screams the 80s. There you go. Go up the street. Look at this. Here we go. Epic motor. Epic motor. Here you're on level 3. Watch a classic level. Going down?
Yeah.
Which floor you got? Which floor are you going to?
The bottom floor.
1?
Yep. Thank you.
Installed in 1985. Otis elevator. Pretty nice elevator, considering it's a hotel.
Yeah.
Early Series 1. Hands-free 88 code compliant phone. Installed in 1985. We're gonna listen to the motor. We'll tell you what you...
Alright. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sure. Is it gonna go this way, Megan? Yep. Okay.
There you go.
Ooh, yikes. I think the tire's a little bit messed up there.
You got it.
Oh,
Yelp? You need help?
Got it. I just have to keep it open so I got my suitcase in there still. Yep.
We're gonna listen to the motor.
Let's just get this out. Oh.
It's nudging! Whoa, it's in nudge mode!
Okay, oh yeah, okay. Oh my goodness.
Let's listen to the motor. Quick, rush over to the machine room. Get to the machine room. Have a good morning. Nice motor.
You were not getting trapped in that elevator. Oh my goodness. Okay,
That's it.